Instagram gifts on Reels, how to turn on gifts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn on gifts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on gifts on Instagram, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Then once you launch the Instagram app, you just want to come to the profile page that you can find from the bottom right. So I'll just show you a particular reel over here. So if I just go to saved section, I have saved a certain reel to show you guys. So now I'm just going to open up, let's say, this reel over here. As you can see on this reel, I have this option known as send gift. That is because this creator is allowed to receive gifts, but this option is not going to appear on each and every reel, because if I show you another reel, this reel, as you can see, does not have the send gift option. So as a creator, how you can enable this type of options when people actually view your profile? So for this, there are actually certain criteria. Let's see what are some of the things that this profile has. It is of course a verified profile, but I'm not really sure if that is what is needed for Instagram gifts. But what you need is an engaging content. If your content is not engaging, Instagram will not be able to give you that feature to send and receive gifts. So that's the thing you want to understand over here. And not all of the Instagram profiles are going to be eligible for this. Only few of them are going to be eligible. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.